Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Here is the second video for one more function that you may need to know. Its name is 2 times hoppers or 2 times compile, or maybe more than 2 times. Right now we are setting on the target 1330 and refill and pack by just one time drop material. See the material is like drop one time and you got one back cut, drop, cut again. So that's the movement. That's the package we got. Okay. And we go to set the program. Next page. And you see here multi combine times. Right now we are using 1. That means the rear combines and drop 1 times to the package, and then you can get the 30 gram, and we set it 2 times just because sometimes your material will be easy to stack the performance, or it is not easy to for such a huge gram, maybe let's say 500 or something, and you will need to separate them. One time you drop half and the other half you drop the material the second times. That means second. You can also set it on 3 times or 4 times. It depends on your demand and also depends on your material. Like we are still running on the 13. Now refill and pack. You can just stay focused. Drop, drop. See that? Seal. Drop, drop, seal. That means 2 times already. The speed will be slower because you will take more times to drop the material. Okay, it looks like the same, but you see the movement is not the same than before. 1 time drop, 2 time drop, 3 time drop, 4 time dropping. It's all okay. They all set on the same program. Here, maybe we try 3, and you can see one more times. You don't need to press any button to save. It is automatic save. You don't need to select or set the separate gram like right now. Is also just set the target gram. That's it. It will be automatic by the computer. Now 1 and pack. See that? 3 times seal. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. So that's the function you need to know. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.